Hey, how's it going? This is Henley at Direct Liquidation. I'm here with Daisha doing another outstanding unboxing from one of our Walmart locations. Let's jump into this pallet. She's already a couple items out, and it seems to be some great inventory. We have some emergency lights, a mixture of camping goods. This seems to be a really good pallet. Variety is key when buying this inventory. You can diversify for your buyer market, and it allows you to make more money and capitalize on different categories of inventory. That's something that I really like about the Walmart product. As you can see, Daisha's already 11 items out. We're almost at $500 worth of inventory and a variety of products. Got a good cart here for soccer games, pulling equipment, assorted plate set, some home goods, an at-home shaver kit, that's nice. Again, the variety of the inventory is something that I really enjoy with the Walmart product, and I've heard nothing but great reviews from our customers when they purchase this product. They enjoy the Walmart pallets for the variety. Daisha's about 20 items out. We're just under $1,000 in value. Ooh, that's a security system, home Bluetooth ring, at-home car wash, dual wheel ad machine, that's necessary, especially springtime's coming. Home decor items. Again, the variety of product on this pallet is insane. Another emergency light system. Daisha's getting close to the bottom of this pallet, and you can see we've surpassed $1,000 in inventory from multiple categories from Walmart. Your customer base certainly will not be bored buying this inventory. Water filters, purifiers. Let's see what she's pulling out. Multi-plug prong system, that's necessary. Keep all your devices charged at once. Daisha's still going, 33 items out. Almost $1,500 in value, that's crazy. Cordless vacuum cleaner, perfect for the car or small messes. Ooh, a surface cleaner, nice. I think that's the second one that she's pulled out too. Leaf blowers. Again, the value in these pallets is the fact that you're getting multiple categories of inventory. And again, she's just at about $2,000 worth of inventory, and that's only from one pallet. So 26 pallets just like this, you better believe that your customers are gonna have an outstanding time picking from the inventory that you provide them. Again, a mix of sporting goods, more pots and pans, home decor. Daisha's really going at it. She's almost at the bottom of the pallet now, and we're at $2,000 in value. Another cordless vacuum cleaner. It's great getting multiple of items. That way your customers can either buy in bulk, or if you have someone missing out on a product, you have more than one you can offer them. A ceiling fan, that's outstanding. Another ceiling fan, see, back to back, look at that. Close to 50 items on this one pallet, and almost $2,500 in value. That's insane. I couldn't imagine buying a full truckload of these, 26 of them from Walmart. Just imagine the quality and the value that you're getting, and more importantly, the product that you're able to offer your customers. Our final item here, office chair, perfect. As you can see, Daisha pulled out close to 60 items off one pallet, and it already hit $2,500 in value. That's insane, and that's something really special when you consider the fact that you're buying a full truckload of this inventory and you're getting 26 pallets. So if you want to learn more about getting these truckloads or buying even single pallets from Walmart, make sure you contact me using the info below, and definitely make sure you join our Facebook group. The link is also below, and you can find out special deals that we have on Walmart and other inventory across multiple brands.